Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Walmart haul and weekly meal plan. So everything you see here, I had to get out of my grocery haul or my grocery money, my medical sinking fund, and then Jared gave me $20 because I was going to get Taylor Swift, but it wasn't on sale. So I picked up something else, but this was probably about $100 between me and Jared, so we're just going to go right over here. First off, we got some shrimp, peeled, deveined, and tailed on. We're going to make some spicy shrimp like I always do this week. Needed some bacon until we get to Sam's. Jared wanted to pick up some Colby and Monterey Jack block cheese. I need some creamer because I left my creamer at work. We need to replenish on our sour cream. We got some bagels, and then Jared likes the regular Philadelphia, and I wanted to try some strawberry cream cheese. We got the Captain Crunch, the regular kind, because I do not like peanut butter. I picked up, this is the $20 I spent that Jared got me. It's Zumba. I used to love going to Zumba, but they got rid of it. So I found this at Walmart. It was like $16. So I decided to pick it up, and really excited about getting back into dancing and stuff. So we'll see. And then this I had to get out of my medical fund. It's the wound wash. My friend and I went and got our dates piercing to prevent headaches or reduce headaches because I have really bad migraines. I'm on 2 kinds of medication and it's just horrible. So hopefully I can reduce my headaches from this piercing. So I needed some wound wash for that. Told you about the bagels. Jared wanted some Hershey syrup for milk. We did get milk. It's already in the refrigerator though. Extra virgin olive oil. Jerry really been wanting this movie Pixels. He's been wanting to watch it because it's with Adam Sandler. And he is a really good actor. We absolutely love him. And it's actually $4. Yeah, we got it at the $4 bin. So that's a good deal. Jared picked up this. I hate anything that's grape besides the actual fruit. So this is all Jared right here. Picked up some chips. We got some cheddar and sour cream. Jared wanted some chili cheese corn chips and regular corn chips. We got 2 zucchinis, some semi-sweet chocolate because I kind of wanted to make some cookies probably tomorrow. And the newspaper, I get the coupons because I show y'all what ads are in there and coupons, deals, everything. So be sure to look out for that video. Wanted some broccoli. These peaches has been on point this season. They look really good and they are delicious, you guys. We need some mushrooms, and then we got this big thing of strawberries for like $4. All right, moving to the weekly meal plan. So we are going to have beef and broccoli with rice or rice cauliflower. So this is our tried and true. You can tell that we've been using this a lot because there is grease stains. But really, really good recipe. I found this on Pinterest, actually, and my Pinterest is linked down below. Next, we are going to have taco chicken drumsticks with feta corn. So this is the taco chicken drumsticks that we made a couple of weeks ago. Super good, super easy. So we're going to try that out again. Tuesday, we're going to have breakfast or leftovers because I'm working late. Wednesday, we're going to have stuffed pasta. We are going to see either make stuffed pasta or make like some kind of pasta dish, probably because we have some ricotta that we really need to use up because it expires next week. Spicy shrimp. We always make the spicy shrimp with some roasted veggies. Friday we have a wedding, and then Saturday it's game day again, so we will see about that. All right, so this is the overview of our Walmart haul again. Be sure to like this video and comment down below if you do some groceries. Let me know what kind of hauls that you do. Let me know if y'all are going to plan on doing any of these dinners or picking up any of these items from the store. And be sure to subscribe down below and let me know. So I will see you guys later. Have a happy week. Bye.